Oh, hi, today I just got up. I'm still a little bit tired. And when I open the door, there's always Barrons, and I read the Wall Street Journal. So it's overall it's good. I also like to read the New York Times. I read a lot of online. I like, of course, the New York Times online. I like. Times Magazine, I like the Money Magazine, I like CNN.com, I like Fool.com. Fool is a great portal. And there's so monthly Fool, and there are so many websites, and you get a lot of information. But even if you have a lot of information, you should lower your trades because you don't benefit by doing a lot of trades. And information is good, but just be very careful. The problem of the internet age, we get so much stuff. I can't even read all the newspapers I've subscribed to. There's just too much in magazines. So the best for your strategy is just slow down the trades, get informed, read a lot, of course, but don't overreact in your portfolio because there's no benefit, and it shows clearly that long term. If you look at all these billionaires and very successful people, I mean Warren Buffett, everyone knows, but also even Carl Icahn, the billionaire out of New York, the investor, hedge fund manager, that it's not that this guy is trading every month or so. Those people hold onto their stocks sometimes many years. And it's just people assume a lot of things that are not true. He is a trader, of course, but he holds onto his positions many years. And the average guy on the stock market is like, if people hold onto their stocks for 6 months, I think that is there's kind of the average 6 to 7 months. The consumer, they have no patience, and that is a huge problem. And I was reading an article about Carlos Slim, the billionaire out of Mexico. He was many years he's still one of the richest people in the world. During the financial crisis, he bought in Saks the department store, the high-end department store. He bought a position. He bought in the New York Times a position. He is a value guy. So if there's some crisis, if there is a company in big trouble, like he buys in Europe, a lot of telcos that are over leveraged and where the stocks have fallen a lot. So he buys into them, and he's doing together with them the restructuring. He helps them to raise money. And so Carlos Slim said in an interview, it's like wealth, to create a fortune, is like treating a plant like an orchard. You have to take care of it, you have to grow it, you have to watch it. He said you have to diversify, you have to grow it, and you have always, to take care of the orchard. And it's like a shy animal, it's like a very difficult plant. It's like not that this wealth comes overnight and it's just there. It's a lot of work, it needs patience, you have to be careful, you don't put too much water in it, and you have always to think carefully what you do. And that's if you understand that, once you understand it, and it's like a snowball, and it's getting bigger and bigger when